What's up, Glam Squad? What's up? Welcome back to your girl Nina's So Glamorous channel. I know that was like extra, wasn't it? But anyways, my So Glam Squad, how you doing on this lovely Sunday? If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing and welcome. I hope you can find you a place somewhere in the So Glam Squad. I will be glad to have you on board. Without further ado, I decided to do something different since the month of October is coming up and it is fall. I decided to do a rendition of Eyes for October. Ooh, right? I think this is gonna be fun with me, like coming up with different looks and ideas for the month of October. I decided this about a couple weeks ago. I was like, man, what could I do? Like, what can I spice it up with? And I just thought Eyes of October. Like, I'm just gonna try out different, out of the ordinary eyeshadow colors. Of course, it'll be like fall, neutral colors, maybe a little bright pink or a little bright orange, a little bright purple here and there, but I just wanted to do that for the month of October. So without further ado, if you wonder how I got this completed look, just keep on watching. Okay, girlfriend, let's get started. I know I'm around here looking real raggedy. Don't worry about all that, because we're gonna change that, okay? So I'm working out of two palettes. It's my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill, and this is my Bling Boss palette. Yep, my Bling Boss palette. I'm working out of this palette and also my Morphe palette. And this is the Morphe 350 palette. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started, and I am going to prime my lids using tan in the color tan. I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. I had been trying to use the Fun and LA Girl concealer, but for some reason I guess it's too thick or whatever for my eyeshadow to just really show up the way I want it to. If you guys have any ideas on how that can help me, just leave a comment down below so you can help your sister out, okay? Because, baby, I have been trying everything. I tried the Urban Decay, what is it? Prime Potion, eyeshadow primer. But for some reason, this, I don't know, maybe it's my eyelids. I don't know. But we're going to take this and we're going to move these little glasses. I'm going to sit them right there, right behind me. And I'm just going to prime my lid. Let me get my mirror. Y'all know a girl is blind. Y'all know this. Is this in y'all way? Okay. I have to make sure it's not in y'all way. This feels a little lighter than the LA Girl, so this might help your sister out. Okay. Now I'm going in with a transition color. I am going to use this color. Well, really like these two. I'm kind of like gonna dab it here, dab there, like kind of going back and forth. Let me make sure you guys can see that. These two. And there's gonna be our transition color. And these two colors make me feel like it's like very fall ready. You guys know what? I forgot to set. Hold on. Let me set this real quick. How could I forget to set it? Okay, now I'm back. Now I just set it. Now we can go in with our color. Okay, now I want to use Sparks from the Jaclyn Hill palette right here, and I'm sorry, that was the first brush I was using was the Real Techniques Essential Crease Brush, and I just like to use that at the tip of the eye because it helps me control what I want to do. Now I'm using the Full Exposure brush. I guess it's just the name, Full Exposure. But basically I'm using this end because it's a 2-end brush. So I'm using this end and I'm going in with Sparks. And I'm gonna dab that in there. And I'm just gonna set pretty old girl right here. Because I don't want that that orange pink, not pink, but that burnt orange looking color. I don't want that to blend out, so we're just gonna blend these two together like this. I'm just basically just really blending that Sparks in with that orange. This is like October is coming up, so it's like Halloween, girl. Oh my God, I don't even know what I want to be for Halloween. That is looking real cute. Okay. So now I am going to go in with this shade of brown. Can you guys see that? This shade of brown and maybe a little bit of that. Okay. So girlfriend, let's see how that's gonna go. Cause you're looking real cute, okay? And I'm just gonna use a flat brush from, I think this brush set was from BH Cosmetics. I'm so sorry, y'all. This mirror is all in your way. But did you see what I did? I just placed it right there. And we're just patting it on there. Now, on the other side, I'm going to go in with that dark brown. I had to make sure I was getting the proper dark brown that I showed you. And I'm going to set that like right there in the middle. So it's kind of like it's gonna go from light to dark. Honey, girl, you is almost, let's finish putting this face on, girl. We about to go somewhere. We got to take her out, honey. We about to take her out. Okay, because I really like want that dark brown to kind of show up a little bit more so it don't look too glitter. I'm gonna just take my finger and I'm just gonna rub it in that brown and I'm just gonna place it right there in the middle. Because I really wanted to have like that light to dark effect. So girl, let's go ahead and finish the rest of our face so we can get it on over with. Voila! This is the finished look, guys, for my eyes of October. I hope you guys loved it. As always, I love filming stuff for you guys. And I decided to just like focus on different eye color shades to do for October. So that's why this rendition will be eyes for October, since fall is here now and September is almost over, right? Okay, guys. I'm not gonna keep you any longer, but this is a very, very, you know, how can I put it? I'm just feeling myself real, right now. Right now. Also, don't let me forget, I did go back in with my same colors that I used on the top of my lids. I went back in using those same steps at the bottom of my lids. I had never been one of the ones that was so perfect at doing the, lining the bottom of my lids with the eyeshadow. But, today I feel like I aced it a little bit. I'm still learning, you guys. So don't judge me. Don't come for me, okay? This is how I do my makeup, and this what works for me, all right? This look is very, very, you can wear it out on a date night, or I feel like it's a little too glam for work or for school. So I'm gonna just say, like, for a day or a date night, this look will be perfect. But anyways, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for Eyes of October. If you did, go ahead and give your girls a thumbs up. Let me know I did do good, okay? Also, don't forget to comment down below on what you would like to see me do next. As always, please subscribe to the So Glam Squad so you can be a part of the family. And last but not least, peace, love, and happiness. Bye.